We're living in it.
What?
I agree, but she's very different.
Okay, I'm going to end the religious things right here.
You gotta learn the Hoppy Walshy thing. Which is
The Hoppy Walshy thing?
You know what, you hold on to the person. Like so. And you dance around like that.
I love how far apart you guys were.
Let's do it in a circle. Okay.
Okay, picture
I'm videotaping it. But since it's not very well lit, it's like their shadows or silhouettes.
Okay.
Unless they're by the door.
Take a heel, toe, heel, toe.
It's like square dancing.
Okay, 4 steps forward.
Are you drunk?
1, 2, 3, 4. Now we turn around.
I can do the grapevine.
Wait, heel. Awkward. Just one. Oh. My bad. Heel, toe, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we come up here, and you're gonna kick like that. No, seriously, no kick. Just kick. Which way? This direction. Opposite me. Kick. Oh, now you're gonna cross over. So I'm using my left foot and kicking right. You're gonna do the same thing. See how I'm kicking this way?
There you go.
2, right? You got that? Sure. Okay, then we do the twirly waltzy thing.
The twirly wall.
No. You put your hand back up here, and we're gonna go around. There's no wall. We're gonna go around in a circle, okay? You ready? We're gonna try this again. No, it's really fun once you get the hang of it. Yes, it is. Now trust me. Heel, toe, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn around.
Heel.
Other way. There you go.
Heel, toe, heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kick.
Kick.
1, 2. And go down down. She's got that part. Okay, now you ready to try again? No. Yes. You're going to. It's boring. No, it's fun. Once you get out of it, it's really fun. It's freaking boring. Because we're going to speed it up. You ready? Ready? Go.
Follow
Heel, toe, step, 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 heel, toe, step, kick.
Oh my god. Don't flip it because it's really easy. All you go is heel, toe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel,
She's somebody who likes to dance. I don't like it.
Okay. Now, but the tempo is insane. You gotta go really, really quick, and it's so much